deep dive on software architecture. And it's a really impressive speaker lineup as well, a great hallway track as well, some great discussions. So I definitely enjoyed it, yeah. Really going from modern trends like AI to the very fundamentals. It's a really, I think I like this holistic approach. It's very focused in one way because it's really about the architecture profession. But in this, it has this kind of rounded view of the different aspects of the role and then the different challenges.
I really understood how we can really integrate AI into our work. So that was pretty helpful for me.
It was a really great opportunity to meet some really industry experts, try to exchange ideas, to learn something new, and also to share my expertise.
It's a very insightful conference. I could take a lot from all the speakers, yeah.
Inspiring, collective, and the atmosphere makes me feel comfortable.
That ability to interact and learn from each other and share with each other is, to me, a real gift.